Filing your income tax return in Spain for 2026 might seem daunting, but understanding the basics can make the process much smoother. If you lived or earned income in Spain during 2025, you may need to file a return. Residents must declare worldwide income, while non-residents only report Spanish-sourced earnings. Filing is required if you exceed certain thresholds, but minimum wage earners and some benefit recipients may not need to file. The tax year runs from January to December, and the filing window is open from April to June. Most people can file online using the Renta web platform, where you'll review your pre-filled draft, make any necessary changes, and submit. Don't forget to check for deductions, as these can reduce your tax bill. If your situation is complex, consider consulting a tax advisor to ensure everything is correct.